Alrighty guys, today we're going to be drawing an Abyssinian cat. So make sure your paper is the long way and we're going to get started. So let's start off with drawing our cat's eyes. So we're going to draw a curved line and then a straight line for the bottom. Straight and then curved. Then we're going to draw the inside of the eye, so we're going to draw half circle on both sides. Awesome, now that we've got that, I'm just going to make the top of the eyes a little bit thicker than the rest of the eye. You don't have to do this part, I just prefer for the top of the eyes to be a little bit thicker, line weight wise, than the rest of the eye. Then I'm going to go ahead and add another circle, and then one very last circle. Then we're going to go ahead and color in that last circle we just drew. Alright, perfect. Let's go ahead and move on. We're going to draw eyebrows. Eyebrows above our cat's eyes. Then we'll draw his little nose. And then the mouth. And then a little curved line for the top of the muzzle. Now let's go ahead and draw our cat's ears. So we're going to draw one triangle and then a triangle with two little curved lines on the inside. We have one ear. Let's do the same thing on this side. So we're going to draw a triangle and then another one with two little curved lines. Then we'll go ahead and draw the top of the head. And Abyssinians are not very fluffy. They're very short-haired. So we're just going to draw two curved lines to make the rest of the head without any fluff marks. Alrighty, let's move on to drawing the body. So we're going to start at the bottom of the head and draw this curved line that goes down and then curves. Then we're going to continue with that line and then stop and draw a slanted line, just a little one. Then we're going to draw two curved lines for the toes. Then we're going to draw another curved line and then a straight line that curves, and we'll stop there. right, let's finish up the rest of this leg. So this line is going to connect right to the paw. Then we'll just go ahead and add those 2 lines for the toes. And we'll add a little bit of fluff, just a little bit. Then we'll draw a line for the neck. A line for the shoulder. And then a curved line. That stops right there. We need to leave some room for the tail. Then we're going to draw this line for the belly. This line for the belly. Then we'll draw the hind legs. So we're going to draw a curved line. And a straight line that curves again. And we'll stop. Then we'll draw the other side. So curved line that goes down and connects. Then we'll draw 2 toes. Then we only have 1 more leg to draw. So we're going to draw a curved line. Then it curves on the bottom. Then we're going to bring it around. And then back up and it connects. Then we'll go ahead and draw the tail. The tail is very long and very skinny. So we're going to draw this curved line. We're going to draw this curved line. And then we're going to do the same thing on the bottom. So we're going to curve up and it connects. And then last but not least, we'll add the rest of the toes. So Abyssinians are ticked tabbies, so they're actually darker near their back and the top of their head, and then lighter near their paws. So they're pretty cool and they're very pretty. Thanks for drawing.